HR metrics that actually matter. Measuring HR success at Business Impact. Welcome to the channel. If you've ever felt like HR is viewed as a cost center instead of a strategic partner, the solution isn't more activity, it's better data. HR metrics are the language of business, and if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Stop drowning in data and start driving decisions. This video breaks down the essential HR metrics asterisk that directly link human resources efforts to business success. Learn how to calculate key metrics like time to hire, turnover cost, and revenue per employee to prove HR's strategic value and optimize your talent strategy. Today, we are focusing on the few metrics that genuinely matter. We'll show you how to calculate them, what they reveal, and how to use them to influence executive decisions. Section 1. Recruitment and Staffing Metrics. Let's start with getting people in the door. These metrics optimize your hiring efficiency and quality. Time to hire, TTH. This is the gold standard for recruiting efficiency. Definition: the number of calendar days from the moment a job is approved and posted until the successful candidate accepts the offer. Why it matters: a high TTH means missed productivity and lost revenue. Aim to reduce it to fill critical roles faster. Calculation: total days elapsed, number of hires. Cost per hire, CPH. This metric shows exactly how much money you spent to recruit each new employee. Definition: the total internal and external recruiting costs divided by the total number of hires in a period. Costs included advertising, recruiter salaries, agency fees, assessment tools, and travel expenses. Why it matters: helps you allocate your budget effectively and identify the most cost-efficient sources, job boards, reference, etc. Source of hire. Simply tracks where your successful candidates came from. Example: employee referral, LinkedIn, career fair. Why it matters: allows you to double down on the sources that need higher quality at hire. Section 2. Retention and turnover metrics. Keeping your talent is often more cost-effective than finding talent. It costs us per week